We're here with Ray Ozzie, Chief Technology Officer of Microsoft. Microsoft had a slew of announcements here at its developer conference. I guess the first question is, there's a general sense out there that we're moving to an internet-only kind of cloud, that Google has obviously done a good job of expressing that viewpoint. How does what Microsoft has announced this week affect that future?
Well, that's not a viewpoint that's a very extreme viewpoint. I think as technologists, we tend to get all excited about the possibilities of new things, and we communicate our excitement by saying, no, the world is all only going to move in that direction. The reality is that customers, pretty much through every transition that's happened as long as I've been in the industry, find the right way to use the things that they've been using and the new things in an integrated fashion. And basically what we've announced at PDC here is the concrete deliverables around what we've been talking about for a few years under the name Software Plus Services. And what that means is, on the server side, on the back-end side of an application, that you can choose to run your applications within your data centers or up in the cloud, in a new operating system in the cloud that we refer to as Windows Azure. On the front end, we believe it's also a world of choice, a multi-screen world. We all use the PC, we all use the web, all of us use phones, or many of us use phones, we have televisions and so on, and we believe that it's a multi-screen future. And what we have developed is a platform that enables developers to very easily write apps that span those different screens and build integrated solutions very, very simply, making it very easy for a user to have their content where they want it, to use multiple PCs very, very easily, and so on. And so, I believe that in many ways, the future really is enabled by these platforms and lets us as users have data and applications where we'd like them.
There was also a lot of very interesting integration between Office and the web in a way that seemed to make both better. Just talk a little bit more about that, and about how Office can be used by Microsoft to improve its position in the internet.
Sure. Well, Office, has a very rich history from the early days of the PC. Spreadsheets, word processing, presentations, and so on. Today, we've mostly associated Office with the PC, but really the opportunity today in this multi-screen world is to step back and say, how can we best deliver productivity in all of its rich forms to an individual user? The PC is the best environment for rich editing and content creation that there will ever be, because of the proximity of the application to the hardware itself. It's very high performance and so on. The web is an amazing place to share information because it's where we all come together. The phone is a tremendous place to notify someone about something that might have changed, or to take a quick note. What we've done, in essence, and what we've demonstrated today, is the fact that our vision of productivity is not that it's just for the PC or just for the web, but that we're delivering it across phone, PC, and web, and that it's the same file formats and they all synchronize with one another. So you can take notes on a phone and have it automatically synchronized with OneNote on the web or on the PC. You can do a presentation on your PC and have some of the people who are watching that presentation be remote, elsewhere on the web. So I think it opens up a tremendous amount of new possibilities, treating them as an integrated whole.
Great. Thank you very much.
Great. My pleasure.